Welcome back to another video transmission. In our last transmission, we spoke about the power of building momentum, taking that initial spark of motivation and allowing it to move you forward. But once the wheel is turning, a new question arises. How do we keep the momentum alive without burning out? When momentum kicks in, it is easy to mistake temporary excitement for infinite stamina. We tend to push at maximum intensity, running ourselves until the engine breaks. But true sovereignty is not about exhausting your vital force. It is about efficiency. Pushing past your natural boundaries creates unnecessary friction, leading straight back to paralysis and burnout. To sustain motion, you must redefine how you view rest. Rest is not laziness, weakness, or a luxury reserved only for total exhaustion. Rest is active maintenance. Just as water must settle to regain its absolute clarity, your mind and body require deliberate pauses to remain sharp. Giving yourself permission to pause is what keeps your long-term current strong. Mastery is never a straight sprint upward. It is an ebb and flow, a natural rhythm of intense focus balanced by quiet recovery. When you honor both phases, you cultivate a resilient Renaissance foundation that can endure for years rather than weeks. Protect your attention, guard your mental sanctuary from overstimulation, and learn to move at a sustainable pace. Do not measure your worth by how fast you burn. Measure it by how steady you shine. Conserve your energy, respect your rhythm, and keep the momentum moving forward, one balanced step at a time. Stay sovereign.